everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So it is that time. I have gotten my Fabfitfun for summer 2024. So if you watched my spoilers, I was actually very excited about this box. So I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to read through what the choices were because there were some changes, but for the most part, the choices were there. There were some throwbacks as well. I'll talk about what I chose, if I did any add-ons, and what my final thoughts of the Fabfitfun Summer 2024 box was. Okay, so back in my spoiler video, I did talk about how now everybody gets to choose the customization. So even if you're a seasonal subscriber, you still get to choose. You get to choose 5 and 6. Annual subscribers still get like a 2-week kind of head start. So I am an annual subscriber, but the price did go up though for seasonal subscribers. So I am an annual subscriber. I do think it's worth it. However, I do think it's great that if you are a seasonal subscriber, you now get to choose all 6 choices. You can kind of watch that video. I kind of go into the changes and I read the letter, etc. But let's get into just what my choices were, what I chose. So we're going to start with customization number 1, and I had the Business and Pleasure Company Cooler Tote Bag, $99. Le Specs Velodrome Sunglasses in Black, $55. Vacation Fragrance, $60. BeautyStat Cosmetics Universal C Skin Refining Brightening Vitamin C Serum, $85. Jonathan Adler Cocktail Shaker, $50. Montce Swim Alley Bucket Bag, $78. Le Specs Dynamite Sunglasses and Tobacco, $55. Beach Riot Alexa Top in either small, medium, large, extra large, or plus, $118. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Advanced Retinol and Ferulic Overnight Texture Renewal Peel, $42. Kate Spade New York Lemon Pitcher and Set of 2 cups. This was a throwback, $39. A mystery choice, and then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Clay Pore Tight Facial Mask, $40. So I chose exactly what I thought, and this was the Beach Riot top. I loved it because it's a cute, top for, the beach. We're coming in the summer, but I also have I think I have 1 or maybe even 2 swimsuits that will go with this. I have 2, and they're both from Somersault, so I think this is going to go perfect. It's a great cover up. You can kind of tie it. I like it. Would I pay $118 for this? Absolutely not. But I think it's really cute. I think it's definitely worth, I would pay at least $25 for it. So that's like half the price of the box. So I think it's really cute. Very happy I got this. And then I thought about the bucket bag. I actually had it in there, and then I ended up taking it back because at the end of the day, I really don't need another bag, even though I thought it was cute. But I did end up getting the 2 sunglasses because the add-ons were $16. And I looked at these and I thought they were just really cute. So this is the Le Specs sunglasses. So this is the black one. I forgot what they're called, but this is the black one. So I thought that was great. And then I got the other one, which was in tobacco. I think this one was called Dynamite. They're both worth $55, but I was able to pick them up for $16. So again, now I normally do have sunglasses that have prescription. These are obviously not prescription, and these lenses are not, you can't make these. Le Specs, some of them you can make prescription, these you cannot. But, every once in a while, sometimes I wear, contacts. So I thought having some great sunglasses, I really like these. I really like these a lot. So I thought these were great. And again, for the price, I just couldn't go wrong. It's always good to have, always good to have sunglasses. So I added those to my box. So that was my customization number 1. Okay, moving on to customization number 2. My choices were the Funboy Poolside Leisure Club Beach Towel, $49. Amika Mirror Ball Shampoo and Conditioner, $52. The Books Company Ceramic Vase, $32. By Cherie Evelyn Coco Leray, $54. Voilition Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Serum, $46. Lost and Wander Frequent Flyer Travel Pillow, $60. Lost and Wander Worry Free Passport Wallet, $40. Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, $45. That was a throwback. The Voilition Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Body Moisture, $46. A mystery choice, or the Beach Riot Melanie Sarong in Miami Peony, $58. That was also a throwback, and you can see what I am wearing. I am wearing the little Lorraine necklace. This was again $54 by Cherie Evelyn Coco Lorraine, and I really like it. Now it has a thing in the back where you can actually make it a little bit tighter. Very, very dainty, and I like that. Would I have paid $54 for this? No, but I do really like it. I think it's a really nice like addition to my collection. It's just very much my style. So I think it's just a beautiful little necklace. And I think the add-ons for these were $15, so I would have absolutely paid $15 for this. So I think it's a beautiful necklace, but I actually didn't pick up anything on the add-ons. There was a couple things that I thought about, but at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, I don't need anything, so I just stuck to my one choice. Okay, let's move on to customization number 3, and the choices were the By Row Truffle Eye Serum, $76. Homesick Cheers to You Candle, $25. Vacation Super Spritz SPF Face Mist, $24. The Riri Ku Resin Coaster Set of 4, $40. Beach Riot Travel Duo Bag, $40. Danny Joe Double Gold Anklet, $140. Array Bloat Alchemy Capsules, $55. Funboy Poolside Leisure Club Tube Float, $39. Fenty Beauty Liquid Kilowatt Fluid Freestyle Highlighter in Vintage Velour or Hustla Baby 2.0, $32. The Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in Peach Face or Crush on Cupid, $26, or a mystery choice. And I chose the candle, which is probably, I think, one of the least expensive. I think maybe the SPF Face Mist was the least expensive, but this was $25. This smells really nice. Now, it's not as powerful or intense as I pretty much like my candle, but I obviously have not lit it yet. But I think it's really pretty. It has a nice little top. So I will probably keep this, but if not, if I don't use it, I will maybe, you know, gift it to somebody, because I think it's a beautiful candle to gift, and it says cheers to you. So I think it's a really pretty candle. You know, it was good. There really wasn't anything that I really wanted in there, and I used to kind of go for the most expensive, and now I don't. Now I go for something that I'll either be able to use or be able to regift. I will say the Venti highlighters and cream blushes were the first to go. They kind of went in and out of stock over the weekend when I kind of would check, but at some point they were just completely out of stock. So, you know, those were limited, I think limited stock anyway. But, you know, it was, I went with the candle and I like it. Okay, so moving on to customization number 4, we have the Amika Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment, $32. Avant Skincare Intensive Restoring and Detoxifying Centella Sicca Moisturizer, $99. Thrive Cosmetics Sheer Strength Hydrating Lip Tint in Cara or Melissa, $26. The Sandra Alexandra Set of 2 Fruit Bottle Stoppers, a Lemon and a Chili, $46. Machete Midi Heirloom Claw in Jadeite, $35. The Wove Made Bespoke Jewelry Digital Offer, $250. Sarah Labs Cracked Heel Souffle, $36. Swig Stemless Wine Cup, $24.95. That was a throwback, and then a mystery choice. And I chose the hair clip. I mean, the Amika, the Frizz Fighting Treatment, I have already. It's amazing, and I almost picked that up, but at the end of the day, I don't need another one, and I have a lot of hair products, so I just didn't need it. But if I didn't have it, I would have picked that up. And then the Thrive Cosmetics, I thought about it, but I have so many lip products anyway, and this is something I'll use. You can see I have a hair clip right now. I will use this, and this is a really nice quality, you know. Now, is it worth the $25 or whatever it says? No, I would never have paid that. Yeah, $35. No, I would not have paid that. But I think it's a really pretty clip. It does hold really well, and it's a good sturdy. I mean, usually I get mine at the dollar store and they break pretty easily. So it does have like the claws inside as well, so it really grabs your hair really well. So I like this. Is it something I would have, you know, done as an add-on? No. But at the end of the day, this was something that I was going to use, and use probably quite a lot. So that's why I added it to my box. Okay, moving on to customization number 5. We have the Sensuals Natural and Organic Skincare Brightening Body Scrub for $24. Insert name here, Sleek Stick, $18. Bandu Game On Waterproof Playing Cards, $14.95. Boca Element Inha Toothpaste and a stainless steel tongue scraper, $20. Inna Labs Anti-Chafe Liquid Powder, $28. Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen, $16. Tip Beauty LLC Baby Snap and Clone Short, $32. Alley Oop 11th Hour Cream Eyeshadow and Liner Stick in Baby Pearl, $24. Earth Arbor Samphire Biotic Perfecting Serum, $45. The Freck Beauty Freck OG, the original Freckle, $22, and a mystery choice. And I chose exactly what I thought, which was the body scrub. So this was worth $24. Again, would not have paid $24 for it, but I probably would have paid $12. And I think the add-ons for these were like $8. So this smells amazing. I probably should have picked up 2 because it really smells amazing, and I will definitely use this. I love a good body scrub. It's got vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So I don't regret getting this. I love it, and I just wish I had picked up another one. Okay, now we're at the final customization number 6. We have the Spectrums Collection Pantherine 3-piece eye and face makeup brush set, $25. Blink Cosmetics Lash Extension Tubing Mascara, $26. The Swell 16-ounce snack container, $20. Mama Potts 4.5 cylinder pot with water tray, $28. Truly Clear Wrinkle Fighting Silicone 3-piece face set, $30. The Champion Running Cap, $25. Found My Animal hand-dyed rope leash in either pink or blue, $56. The Gather All nipple covers in mocha, latte, nor, or cream, $28. The DPQ apple cider vinegar exfoliating scalp detox, $35. This was a throwback, or the mystery choice. And I chose the snack container. So this is the 16 ounce. It's like up to 2 cups, and you can see it's kind of got the silicone and then it's metal. So really nice. You know, if my son's going to be going to summer camp. Now I don't know if he's going to really want pink, but you know, maybe he won't even mind. But if not, this is great. You know, we go to theme parks or when we're on vacation, this is great to be able to take something, you know, whenever you just need it. I thought it was a good product. I love Spectrum brushes, but I have a bunch of Spectrum brushes already. And I will say the thing that went out the fastest was the nipple covers. The nipple covers, they went out really quick. So that was the interesting thing, but I'm really happy with the snack container. So there you have it. That was my Fabfitfun Summer 2024 box. I would say it was a solid box. I was probably more excited about it, and when I got it, it really wasn't as exciting when I got it, but that was just because of the choices that I made. But I think I will use everything. I like everything. Is it stuff that I'm really excited about? Not really, but I thought it was very solid. But again, I'm really excited about the cover up actually, so I like that. But all in all, I thought it was a solid box. Definitely got my value and happy with it, and now looking forward to fall. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.